Are you looking for a Del Webb home in Richmond Hill, Georgia, super close to Savannah? Well, we're here at the Mainstay in the new Del Webb community in our area, and oh my God, I can't wait to show you this house. Let's check it out.
Camera ready, action. Yeah, I do lights, camera ready, action. Do you know what I mean?
All right, we're out front and we're on basically what you would call Del Webb's model row right here. Give you a good example of what they have to offer here. There's 6 modeled up here, and then in this beautiful community, the amenity center right there is getting worked on, as you can see. Super excited for that, but here we go, 2-car garage. This is the Mainstay. You can have 2 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 baths, almost 1,900 square feet to almost 2,900 square feet. So, I mean, this thing has got all the options you could possibly want. Now, one of the options they don't have is these walls. You see these shiplap walls, they don't have that as an option. You can do that on your own, like these cool colors and stuff, and light fixtures. Those are not options. They're showing you what they're able to do, or what you're able to do to put your own mark on the property. As you can see up here, you see little office areas. That's really cool. Could be all kinds of stuff, but they're using it as an office. And we're gonna come back to the garage area here in a little bit, but bang, look at this. Man, this is not quite the gourmet kitchen, right? The gourmet kitchen is an option, which would be like double oven, countertop, stovetop. This one's got a gas one, but look at this. I love this countertops right here. Beautiful quartz countertops. Then they got the gas oven right here, which is an option. It's great. I love the gray cabinets, and it kind of like pops when you have it opposite of the other cabinets. But the great thing about these homes at Del Webb is that they will design them, or you have all the options you want, right? And you can do all of these cool things that they did do it, which is fantastic. You build your own home from scratch. They don't have any for sale, so you're looking at a 4 to 6 month time frame. But man, so here's the living room, nice size, and I love it. And then obviously screen and porch we'll get to, but look at that, wide open space. I love that. I'm going to show you how you can turn your outdoor space and indoor space and combine them. So that's going to be great. But let's go check out the primary bedroom first. All right, we're coming in here. Here is here's the laundry room right there, bang. You come into the primary bedroom, look at this. Love that. Now you can get these floors, or you can get carpet. I like the tray ceilings you got here. And then you see the sound system is also Sonos. It's an option that you could have in here. Looks pretty cool. You can have all your entire house with the Sonos. You can have just your bedroom, maybe just a living room, whatever you want, totally customizable, right? Big size, definitely fit a king size bed for sure. And then we come into here, dual vanity, quartz countertops once again, and then you got the tile floor in here. I love the 0 walk-in shower, look at this. Oh, just walking in, boom. And they got a nice little seat right there. Love that. You got the 2 sprayers, dig that. But once again, the gray right there matches the outside in the kitchen, and of course, the quartz countertop. Look at this closet. I mean, it is big. I don't know how much stuff you need, but you can definitely fit it for sure. And then, of course, they got a closet, a water closet, which is cool. All right, now let's go check out. Now, of course, all these homes, you can put a second story on to add that 3rd or 4th bedroom. They don't have that on this one. There's only one model in here that shows you 2nd floor, but they're basically all the same, depending on the home, but they're basically the same. Now let's go over here to the guest bedroom. I like this one, very nice. These light fixtures are so cool. I really like them. Like I said, they're not an option. The light fixtures are not, but I mean, it just kind of gives you that, what can you do with this property, right? Of course, this would be the guest bedroom. Love that. And then come to the guest bath. Let's get that quartz countertop, and you got your little edge on the shower right there, so you can step into the tile shower. That's great. All right, let's go out to the back. I'm gonna show you how you can turn your indoor living and outdoor living and combine them into one cohesive experience, right? You're entertaining, boom. I'm like, you know what, I just wanna open these doors. Screened in porch gives you that ability to do that. Now you're not having a bunch of bugs get in your house, but look at this. Look how wide that is. So you're serving from the kitchen, you just walk out here, bang, you're bringing dinner to everybody, boom, entertaining. You got the fire out there roaring, there's people out there hanging out, people in here hanging out, people in the home hanging out, like so. You just combine this whole space into some great area. And this, like I said, if you're not familiar with our area, sand gnats can be brutal 2 times of the day. Screening porch is very helpful for that, obviously. And then of course, you can have the slab extended, but not with this. They do not do this. You can just have a regular extended slab. But if you want to know who can do this, they offer those contacts to you so you can see, how do we get a fireplace in our outside? It's cool. And of course, the biggest thing about living in Pulte, or not Pulte, excuse me, Del Webb, is the amenities. They have an amenity director that comes in, or not amenity director, excuse me, an activities director comes in, plans a whole bunch of stuff, and they take the residents' input for sure. So, man, what an awesome place. All right, I don't know what is going on here. Maybe they didn't expect me to find this spot, or maybe this is just upstairs storage, but yeah, look at that. Whoa, look at all that storage up here. I mean, you could fit almost anything up here. I think they were meaning for me to find it, but yeah. So if you're worried about storage, you don't have to worry about that here. So this was the Mainstay model home with Del Webb Homes here in Richmond Hill, Georgia. If you have any questions about this home or any Del Webb home, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.